We are pleased to show you the 2024 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full-throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, fog lamps, variable speed, intermittent wipers, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.